Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this amazing, luxurious, rustic ottoman for the bottom of your bed, for if you want to put it underneath the staircase, against the wall, in the kitchen, in the living room, wherever you want to put it there. But I'm putting mine at the bottom of my bed because it's safe with fabric, and put it as my headboard. And that's the best thing about customizing or making your own headboards and ottomans and stuff, is because you can match them perfectly, and you can pick whatever measurements you want, so it's all custom, and it's half the price of buying one in the actual shop. So yeah, we're going to do that today. Before I proceed, I just want to say to any new viewers, hi, I'm James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I don't know if it's on this side or this side, I can't remember, but yeah, click that subscribe button because I upload every second day, and I'll be going to Rome in a week, I think it is, so you do not want to miss them vlogs because they're going to be so good. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so for the first step is you're going to want to obviously upholster your bench. So you do the same technique as I done for the headboard. I'll link that video down below, so if you go watch that, you can see how to actually upholster it. And then you want to get your legs. I'm using if anyone has a staircase in their house, okay, you have what are they called? The banister railings. You always have spare railings left over if you have staircase in your house. So we have 5 of them left over upstairs. So I use 2 and then I cut them in half. So you want to get your legs, right? You're gonna go outside where there's fresh air and there's a breeze, and it's when it's not raining. And you're going to get your spray paint colour of your choice. If you want to spray paint them, you might just want to keep them that colour, whichever colour you have. When you spray paint them, I painted mine silver, and I love how it turned out. It was a really reflective silver. I spray painted them that colour, and then when you spray paint them, before you spray paint them though, mark out the cut where you want to cut them, and then you're gonna want to cut your legs down with a saw. Just go in there and cut it all off. Cut them in half. Make sure I cannot stress this enough. If you're cutting something in half, make sure double check it that it's halfway, because once you cut it, there's no going back. So make sure it's halfway. I'd recommend actually cutting it first before you spray paint it, but I couldn't find the saw, so I spray painted it first. That's why I did it backwards. But I'd recommend cutting it first and then spray painting it, because anything bits of wood that might peel off won't peel off the spray paint. And when you spray paint afterwards, you can hide any imperfections as well. So yeah, I'd recommend doing that first. But then you have it, and then I used a wood adhesive to stick mine on, but what you can do if you're doing it from scratch is screw your legs onto the wooden base first, and then put the spray glue, and then the foam, and then the fabric on top of that and then they'll be way more secure. But I didn't think about that when I was doing it, so that's what I recommend doing. That's what I recommend doing instead of doing the wood adhesive. But if you want to be like me, just do it with the wood adhesive. But the only thing about that is you can't really, it's a bit more fragile and delicate. You can't really be as you can't just jump on it or sit back in it and think that's gonna be fine. It could break easily. But yeah, so that's it. That's all you're gonna do, and then you have your beautiful ottoman. And yeah. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button. I love seeing that. It means so much to me, and yeah, let me know in the comment section what you thought of this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!